All right, there we go. There we go. Go. Moderators, it's going to look a lot different over on at ADT Coach on TikTok. I'm just trying something over there. All right,
Will that eliminate the need for it to, end?
No, all I'm doing on it for today to see if I can drive subscribers is I'm actually showing. Yeah, I'm just showing my screen today for the first time ever for a free member. I want to see what I want to see what the algorithm does with it. I don't plan on keeping it that way because then why would people pay for it if they can just see everything I'm doing all day long? But I want to see what the algorithm does with it. Always testing the system. Would you like to play a game? All right. Hold on. Almost done.
Let's play global thermonuclear trading.
Yes. You are so smart. I just can't take it. Some days you just amaze me at your beauty, your grace, your intelligence.
Stop it. I'm paying you now, right?
Yeah. Yep. And then we have Dawn. Okay, we got the cues. I was talking about Arlo. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, just kidding. Everybody be cool.
Wow.
He got you, sis. He got you.
Oh, burn. Oh, I'm still feeling that.
Psych. Just kidding. Love your face. All right, here we go. All right, we just did the cues. Okay, good. Everybody be cool. There's nothing to see here. There's no fighting going on. Soxel. I swear, Dawn is definitely a kindred spirit. She's definitely my BFF. In real life, we'd be hanging constantly. We'd be in a lot of trouble. Let's see. Soxel. We'd be jamming it up in your house, I can tell you that. Soxel. 46. Definitely. Yep. 46-16. Get out some Guinness. Have a little brewski. Christina might partake in a little.
I said if we knew each other in high school, dude, we would have totally been best friends.
Hell yeah. Yeah, it would have been awesome. Soxel, 46-16 up, 45-85 down.
What's my involvement here, Coach? I heard my name.
Yeah. I was going to say there might have been a little herb involved over.
I got that. Got you.
See, over at the get together. You never know.
Little Mad Dog 2020.
Yep. Little Colt 45.
Right.
Yep.
2 zigzag.
Yeah, 2 zigzag.
That's where you got me. I love the Colt.
Might sleep better, Coach.
Yeah. In the orange pack, you know what I'm saying. Okay, SPY. 5.30 and 15 cents. Everybody right now is like, what the fuck is going on? We don't know. It's okay.
I hear old people talk.
Yeah.
Old people talk.
Yeah. Back before they had video on everything and we could actually do shit.
SPY, we were video.
Yeah, SPY 5.29 and 50 cents and 50 cents. Tesla. My gosh, I couldn't imagine doing the stupid shit we did when we were kids now with everybody with cell phone cameras and oh my gosh. Tesla. Oh my, no, hell no. 178.50 to the upside. No, no. I don't. Nope.
Coach, you have a gold line at 178.75, just an FYI.
Oh, good. Okay, 178.75. Thank you, sir. And what do you know? It stopped at 79, right? Look at that. Thank you. Was that Mark? Appreciate you.
Yep.
178.50 up and 177.75. Keep an eye on that gold line, that 178.75. We definitely must have had that marked from somewhere before. Good call out. It's now 9:05. We are ready to get this party started. I appreciate everybody being here. Thank you. If you guys would, do me a favor, make sure you follow me on all the things. I'd appreciate that. Make sure if you guys are over on X, a.k.a. the old Twitter. Can we say tweet? Can you tweet if it's X? Isn't it a Zeet? I don't know. I think until you stop saying tweet something out, we're gonna have to use Twitter. Elon, you're gonna have to get on that, bro. You know what I'm saying? Goodness gracious. Anyways, follow me over.
I won't say anything else. It's Twitter.
Yeah, I know it's hard because nobody knows when you say X.
They turned X
X
into
is so.
like you can say I just X'd you.
Oh,
Yeah, no. That don't even.
no.
But we already do
That
it.
doesn't even translate properly, dog.
X marks the spot. That's
You hear
what
that?
say. X
Christina
marks
knows
the
what's
spot.
up. Christina knows
What's
what's
up?
up.
X marks the spot.
Yep.
Me and Mark McC say it all the time. Hey, I just
Christina. Oh, I love her. Oh, Christina. Oh my.
It was just there. You
Yeah,
couldn't help
yeah.
it. It slipped out. Sorry.
I can see all of us rolling deep and getting in all sorts of trouble. All right. Good morning, everybody. I appreciate all of you crazy asses. I love all of you for being here. Thank you so much on this beautiful Monday here at May 20th. I want to thank all my moderators. Bruno, Carter, Don, Paul at the beach, Miranda, unhappily a housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke, Sidewalker, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, and Ted. I got to do it real slow for you today because usually I think on Friday I had to fly through there. By the way, I apologize for Friday when I had to run out the door. I think that was my cable or some crap. I can't remember. What was Friday? There's so much weird goofball stuff going on around this house. Wasn't Friday the cable? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I remember.
Fiber optic cable.
Yeah.
Coach.
It was for my
Fiber
Cox
optic.
cable. I thought my wife was here because she texted me. She's like, Cox is here. I'm like, okay, cool. And then she's like, no, you need to answer the door. They've been standing there. I was like, oh, shit. Fiber install.
Hey, I keep hearing my last name. Hey, what somebody?
Yeah, they were calling for you. You were standing at my door. Yep.
Oh.
Yep.
What? Oh. Okay.
Yeah. I think you were trying to sell me encyclopedias or something. Yep. Appreciate that. Thank you. You guys remember door-to-door
More old
salesman?
people talk.
Yeah. I was just
More
gonna
old
say, you
people.
guys remember that? Oh.
My ex-wife still has encyclopedias and refuses to get rid of them.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's old school right there. Yeah.
Oh my God, I had the same thing. I put mine down at the garbage, and then I went back and got them. I said, "Oh, they might be worth some money." I took them back.
You guys hear that?
A collection of Britannica in night.
Christina pawned them and then went back and picked them up.
Yeah, I got to get rid of them again.
Yep. Pawn shop gives her like $7 every time to haul down 46 pounds of books. And then she goes back with that collect ticket and hooks herself back up.
Every year or two, I
Open
do
one of them
that.
up is teach how to build a house.
That's you know
Hey,
why?
hey, Coach.
That's because we discovered that those cigarettes were $10 a pack.
I know.
What
Shit.
the-
That's where I'm living. I'm living in a house full of made with cigarette packs. That's where I'll be
Man,
living soon.
you can't even live in a house full of sin smoking cigarettes these days. Hell no.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
I wanted to tell my co-host in the morning,
Yeah.
Mark, that he missed the mother of all runs this morning.
Yeah, you did, Mark. Where were you at,
Yeah.
part-timer?
I was busy.
I told you
He
guys.
fell asleep. He
he's
fell asleep because he was super tired.
I
I
fell
did
asleep
too.
in my
Yeah.
chair
Oh.
literally for an hour and a half.
Oh, he
I
took
Yeah,
did
we
too,
know
Mark.
that.
I don't.
We,
Yeah.
we called out your name, Mark. It was the mother of all
In
runs.
fairness to me,
Yep.
tomorrow I am eligible for Social Security for the first time.
Oh, wow.
Okay, all right.
Hey.
Congratulations.
All right.
Nice.
All right.
Make sure that check doesn't bounce.
Nice job.
More old people talk.
I'll be 62
Congratulations,
tomorrow.
you're old.
Social
Well,
Security.
Mark,
I'll be
Mark
62 tomorrow.
Yay. Congratulations.
Your
Mark.
birthday's tomorrow.
Social Security. Is that not old people talk?
Yeah, happy
In
Social
fairness-
Security
Good
Day.
luck to young
fairness to
people
you,
collecting
Mark.
it.
Yeah.
Good luck to
Nice
young
job.
people.
Get it before
In
it's gone, right,
fairness-
Mark?
What ran this morning? What ran? Because I fell asleep too.
In fairness to you, Mark, you probably get 3 months of it because of the income you're making. You will
Correct.
not qualify for it.
That is correct.
That put you right off.
I'm just letting you know that I gave up mine
Yep.
for $1 million.
Yep. It's correct. Absolutely. Yep.
Yes.
Good trade out.
Yep.
Our brother.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
Jason says, Coach, your speaker's not working. Jason, let me know. Everybody, can you guys hear me on all the free stuff?
Yep. And it is running again, Coach. GTBP
Awesome. I'm on it. Thank
is
you.
running.
Yeah, there it is.
Yes.
The bounce office support. We talked about that this morning. That
Yeah.
724 right there. Boing, oing, 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 oing. Look at that, Mark. Now, Mark, we
Yeah,
had
yeah.
bets. We had bets. Now the people that were in here, they said that you probably passed out, like in the Starbucks drive-thru or something. I said, listen. I said his wife probably got out the honey to-do list, and now he's building something else. So I figured you were just, Bob the Builder. Thought you were building another shed or something.
I wish it was that simple, Coach. I literally just went unconscious.
Oh, well, that happens. That happens. Yep.
Man, you missed it, man. It was a good one.
That happens.
Oh, well, yeah.
That's all right, Mark. It'll be there again tomorrow. Don't worry.
So, Social Security will make up for it.
Yep. There you go.
Yeah.
Social Security.
For 4 or 5 months now, if I ever apply for it.
There you go.
Yeah,
Nice.
enjoy.
Mark, you know you'd lose 30% if you get it before 65 and a half, right?
I don't care. I'm going to collect
Yeah.
80,000 before then.
Yep, it's
Yeah.
true. Yeah, it's true. By the way, if you guys did do the math on it, not financial tax or investment advice, they do tell you collect as early as you can, because it would take until you're
Yep.
like 73, 75 just to break even.
Yes.
So
Yes. And people don't understand that, Coach. They
that's
say,
correct.
well, I'm gonna wait till I'm 66 or 70 to get it. I'm
Yeah.
like, you'll be dead by then.
That's true. You know,
That's
and
my thought.
I keep telling my
Yeah.
mother-in-law this
I'm
too,
not
because
dead.
she keeps waiting to retire. I'm like, just leave.
Yeah.
Literally, because I already told her, I'll take care of
Yeah.
you. All you got to do is walk out the door. My mother-in-law actually likes to work, and I'm like, okay, but I'm telling you, whenever you're ready, man, just get the hell out of there. Just clock out.
Yeah.
Don't come back.
Yep.
I got you.
That's why I'm going to apply for it at 62.
Yep.
She
Coach,
keeps going.
it's amazing we having this conversation, because me and my brother was talking this weekend,
Yeah.
and he qualifies for it.
Yep.
And he working 2 jobs, and I said, well,
Screw that.
would you rather work the second job
Yep.
to go there, or
Right.
would you rather collect money
Right.
that you paid into the system?
That's
just
right.
by
It's
sitting on
it's
your
owed to
behind? That's
you.
crazy.
Yeah, it's owed to
Yeah.
you. Take it.
Well, I
Absolutely.
kind of like working. I'm like, oh my God.
That's crazy. Nope, that's crazy. I'm with you. You know what though?
Yeah.
If you don't have a hobby or whatever outside like this, right? This is like,
Yeah.
I consider this my retirement, right? Even though we're all
Yeah.
hanging out, this is kind of, because this is the life that I wanted, right? Just like you, Nate.
Yeah.
You're still clocking in the morning at 4 o'clock. You're still working till
Yeah.
9:30, 10 o'clock. So you're still working technically, but it's what you want to do, right?
Right.
Yep. There's
Yeah.
a big difference. Just like Mark, take that money, man. You earned it. Look
Mhm.
at you. Like
Yep.
Mark is now, right, hanging out with us every single day instead of going to that shitty 9 to 5 job. Not that he had one. I'm just saying in
Sure.
general, right?
Yeah.
Nobody wants to do that
Mhm.
bullshit. Let's be honest with ourselves.
That's overrated.
It
Work
really
is
is.
overrated.
Yeah.
Your blood pressure will
Yeah.
go down. Life will slow down. Everything, you're not feeling like you're on defense all the time. Like, what's going to happen at work today?
Take a nap whenever
Yep.
you feel like it.
Yeah, hell yeah. Take a nap, miss
Like
out
it
on a
out.
$6 million run. Yeah.
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 know what
And
I'm
you don't
saying.
even care.
Yeah, yeah.
And you don't even
Coach,
care.
I collected 16 months of Social Security, and when they called me and told me that I could no longer get it because I was over the requirements for the income,
Yeah.
I cried like a baby in the corner.
Yeah, yeah. Right? Yeah. And you know what's weird? You know what's crazy about that?
Thank you.
Think
The app I
about
was
this.
still acting like they wanted to connect or not.
Think about this. This is what's stupid about it. You paid in your whole life for that. But because you make more money now at the end, it's gone. Isn't that weird? Does anybody else find that offensive, by the way? You paid in your whole
Freaking
life.
ridiculous. You
Yeah.
pay your whole life.
It's just like taxes, coach.
It is.
You pay taxes on it
Yep.
money, and then you spend the money and you pay
Yep.
taxes, and then that person pays taxes on the
Yep.
same dollar. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's crazy,
Yeah.
right? This is the
It's
world we live in.
ridiculous.
This is the world
Yeah.
we live in. Listen, that's why there's 429 people in our Zoom, though, right? Because you guys know what's up. You're tired of that bullshit rat race. You're sick of everybody got their hands out, from the overreach of the government to over taxes to going to this stupid ass. Some of you right now are listening to us like a podcast, stuck at your shit ass 9-to-5 job that you hate. The one that, you know, you had to get up early for, pack your lunch, worry about where your kids are going to school today. Hopefully they don't call in sick. You don't have any more time left. You got a dentist appointment tomorrow. You got approval from your boss. You're out of PTO time. You don't know what to do. Shit happens and life's a bitch. And you're like, I can't stand this job. Yeah, that's right. That's right. The 430 of you that are sitting in this Zoom, you know what's up. You know what's up.
In hindsight, COVID did us a favor because we learned that we can work from home, we can make our own money, we can,
Absolutely.
you know, we don't need that. Yeah.
Absolutely. And look at all of you in here every day. Listen to the voices you hear in here, right? The people, obviously there are people finding success and people that are not, but I'm telling you what, we're all on this journey together. You might not be there today, but you are working towards a goal to be there someday. Am I right? At least you have a goal, a vision.
100.
There goes GTBP, by the way. Nate continuing to climb. GTBP continuing to climb, everybody, off the bounce of 724 on support. So
I'm in it, Coach.
yes, I appreciate all of you being here. I really do, especially on this Monday. I'm so thankful. I woke up this morning, right? And I did my usual routine. I got up super early, started charting, getting us all prepped, you know, making sure all the earnings and everything. I'm keeping an eye on everything. I did all my stuff last night. You guys always see me super late, but I got up this morning and I'm telling you the first thing, and you need to do this for yourselves. You need to wake up excited and grateful no matter where the hell you're at in this life, right? I don't care if you're down in the dumps, you're broke, you're unhealthy. None of that matters. If you woke up today, literally, if you woke up today, you need to be excited and grateful for the day. It's a brand new day to do something. Don't wake up and bah humbug and life's bad and woe is me and oh shit and this is going to suck today and block all that noise out. You woke up today, that means today's going to be a beautiful day, right? So some of you are struggling, I understand, emotionally, physically, spiritually, financially. I get it. If you woke up today, it's a brand new day. This is a brand new day to start over and get your shit together. So here it is. Get out your journals, right? Start to write down. This is, you know, it's just like a vision board. Put it down on paper. When I started American Dream Trading, right? I wanted 100, right? I wrote down goal to 100, right? I wanted 100 members, 100,000, right? That it was generating. Right, I had this 100 goal. I can't remember where my board is because I think we chucked it after I moved. But I had a whole vision board. It was like that for a year and a half before that vision board filled up. But I don't care. I looked at it every day and it was mounted on my wall. You need to put that board up there. It needs to be there every day. You need to work towards something. You need to strive for something. This is what gives us the drive, right? This is why the people that are like, oh, I want to work till the day I die. How about you create a new vision for yourself, right? Think about it. You guys have the ability. If you woke up today, you have the ability. And listen, if you're watching me on your cell phone, you have the ability to do what we're doing, right? A lot of people in this world can't even, they don't have a cell phone and cell phone service or the ability to sit wherever you're at and take the time to listen or watch this, right? So if you're listening or watching, you have the ability. Everything is in your hand right now. Between that phone you can trade on for absolutely free while you're learning, to all the products and services that you see right now in your face that you can hear and watch, all of it, right? Right now you're watching me for absolutely free. It's costing you nothing to watch for free, right? All I ask is you subscribe, follow, and share. It just helps get the algorithm out there. You know, obviously I make my money when people eventually sign up for memberships. That's great. And then they come in and I can train them more and educate them more and help them more and change their lives more. And then they tell the next person, they tell the next person, and so on and so forth. And that's how this goes. But until then, you guys are watching absolutely free right now. Why not decide today, this second, I'm going to change my life? You're the only one stopping you. I promise you right now. It's not your parents. It's not your upbringing. It's not even where you live right now. It's not the circumstances that put you where you are today. Wrong. All that's bullshit. These are all excuses. Drop the excuses and start kicking ass every day. I want you to wake up excited and grateful every day. You start with those two things. I'm telling you, man, there's a whole new world out here. All you got to do is take it. Take what's yours. Speaking of taking what's yours, GTBP, new high a day. GTBP, new high a day.
Coach,
Nice. Yep, go
good
ahead.
morning.
Good morning.
I need that words today. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Noonie. Thank you for
Yeah.
being here.
Coach, $1,700 on the beat of your voice.
There it is on GTBP.
Yeah.
Nice job, man.
Yep.
Nice
I
job.
made 500 to the sound of your voice as well.
Oh, you guys are awesome.
Yes, sir.
Nice job, everybody. Beautiful move. And you can see up here on the double top, right? This is the double top now, so be careful.
Yeah.
But if that pops, so right here obviously is a collection, right? This is where we take. If it breaks, this is where you can start again or add, but this is definitely where we take or remove. See this double top? Because the double top's going to want to pull back. You can see a seller's candle. Anyways, etc. You know what to do. Add above 912. Otherwise, sell on this double top. It's plain to see right here. Manage
I rode on
what's
that
going
one candle right there, Coach. That one green candle right there, 40-cent move.
Yep, absolutely. Hell yeah. Oh, you can't make any money off of shares of 40 cents. Okay, buy 1,000 shares and see how you cannot make money and do that 10 times today. By the way, all of you that are watching, because now you're excited because people are talking about GME and AMC again. Yeah. This stock right here has already ran more than both of those stocks. We do this every single day. So while you're still hoping and praying that AMC and GME is going to go to the moon, we do this every day. Every day. Am I right, everybody? Don't we do this every day? Every day we have a runner that makes those look like shit. Every single
Yes,
day.
Coach.
Every day.
Yes.
Absolutely, from your trained people.
Every day. We don't have to hold on with diamond hands and right, and oh, it's going to go to the moon and I'm never selling. You don't need any of that bullshit. Come on. Trade the trades. Trade the trades of what's going on out there. So real quick, thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day here at American Dream Trading. Special shout out to my son in the Air Force now, 8 years. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you. Oh, losing internet. I love that. Cox comes out Friday. They're like, I don't know. I think it's the line inside of your house. I'm like, this is all. We literally just reran all. I can't wait to get fiber. Thursday, we're supposed to get fiber. Thursday night. So hopefully on Friday, we'll actually have internet that's working again. That'd be great. But thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you.
Hell yeah, let's roll, y'all.
There it is. See, now we can get started. Can't even get started without that. By the way, if anybody is watching over on TikTok on @ADT Coach, did you notice anything different? Do you see anything different on your screens today? Anybody looking for? Yup. What do you see different?
Yeah.
Artificial paint. What's going on over there?
Chart.
Can anybody see anything? Can you see my entire chart for the day up there? Yep, you should be able to. Looks great. Can you guys see it? Does it? Okay, good. It's the first time you've ever seen that before. Now, moderators, see, now I'm taking note. So I'm giving away more for free, and it's not doing anything. Moderators, we can tell that because if you look at the view count, it's 60. See it?
Yes, I
So
see it.
this is why I like to test the algorithms all the time. If I give more, do we get more? Or is it just bullshit? Well, it's bullshit, and now we'll never do it again. But do you see how that works? Yep, that's why we test.
Mr. Richardson on TikTok saying, hey, I see my future with you guys. Looks awesome.
Oh, thank you, man. We appreciate that. Appreciate all of you being here. You guys are amazing. Just to give everybody a heads up, I'll kind of do a countdown to it just so you guys know. I will not be here on the 4th through the 11th. I'm going to be taking a vacation, believe it or not. I know. It's crazy. Actually taking vacation, though. Don't worry. All of the paid members, Everybody will still have Zoom. Everything will still be business as usual. We just will not have any of the free services will not be turned on unless I designate somebody to turn this on. Otherwise, it's just not going to be rolling. Okay. Appreciate everybody. All right. So we've had a couple runners this morning. It is now 8:26. VIP members who were able to get in here early, because remember, VIP members have early access to Zoom and trade with our other millionaires. Did anybody make any money VIP before the bell rang today? Anybody make money today already?
Make money, coach.
$130 in 10 seconds, coach, with
Yes,
you,
sir.
with your words.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
There it is. Thank you. Appreciate everybody. You guys are awesome. If you guys want to join us at any time, of course, you can join us up here at AmericanDreamTrading.com. By the way, we started a brand new thing. We have a weekly membership. We've never done this before. Weekly membership starting at $50. You'll gain immediate access to Zoom. We have almost 500 people in here right now. It's a live microphone. You'll see everything that's going on. $50 a week. Starting right now, you guys can go and check us out. It's the most affordable, easiest way to get in. You can see what's going on. You can take a look. You're going to get all that pre-market setup. You're going to get the IPO center. You're going to get the hot stock picks, right? Which is already running, of course. You guys will get all the videos on demand, which will help get you started and off and running. Today, by the way, moderators keep count. If we sell 10 of any VIP memberships, VIP, VIP Gold, or VIP Lifetime, if we sell 10 of those today, I'm going to choose one lucky winner out of that group to spin the wheel of cash live. We'll do that as long as we get that before I leave for the day. So 10 people. Don't forget, the month of May, right now until the end of the month, if you guys do sign up for a VIP Gold membership, I'm selecting 2 people out of that group to spin the wheel of cash live for up to $5,000. We just want to give away ass loads of money. It's fun. It's helping to drive, obviously, sales. You guys have a good time. We get a good laugh. Everybody enjoys themselves. So if you guys have ever wanted to get in, now is the time. Appreciate all of you. So hold on, Richard. I'll get to you in just 1 second. If at any time you guys have an issue, please do me a favor. Open up a help desk ticket. We'll get to you. If you want that VIP Gold, remember you're going to get masterclass training with me at 8:15. You're also going to get pre-market early Zoom access starting at 4 a.m. Eastern, where you can trade with some of our other millionaires. You're going to get the VIP lounge access. All workshop classes are free. We do those once a month, and they're recorded, so you guys can watch all the previous workshop classes. You're going to get all the VIP training videos. We have over 50 training videos, and we're adding more and more to that collection. You're going to get the Trading View indicators, which we use every single day. It's just another tool to help you. It's based on my 2-minute EWO algorithm that I designed and created on how to use that. You guys will get VIP seating at the meetups when we announce that. So we'll get all of that. VIP Gold add-on. If you're a VIP, you can also add this. You'll get all mastermind classes absolutely free. Don't forget, next month we have another mastermind class, How to Grow a Small Account Part 2. Make sure you guys sign up for that. You do not have to be a member for that, by the way. So sign up. Seats are filling up quick. But that mastermind class is absolutely free with VIP Gold. You get 1 hour of tech support if you need us to remote in, get your system set up. Weekend training. We've been doing weekend training every single weekend for VIP Gold members only. VIP Gold Lounge access with extra giveaways. VIP Gold Priority Help Desk support. VIP news service. I know the bell's ringing. And the breakout rooms, which will have a breakout room for VIP Gold only today. Listen, make sure you guys follow the rules. You know what to do. Here at American Dream Trading, we're not financial, tax, or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. Let's have a great week. Love your faces. All right, all right, all right. Let's see what's going on here. I'm watching SPY is pulling back. So is Apple. So is NVIDIA. So are the Qs. Everything so far to the downside on those stocks. Remember,
Meta as well.
Thank you. Remember, if the stocks drove up in the pre-market, most likely they're going to sell off at the bell. That's people collecting their money. People collecting their money. So please be careful of that. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see what else is going on. GME, of course, to the downside, down 3% now. GME down 3% right now.
Tesla to the downside under pre-market level,
Okay.
pulling hard.
Thank you. Nice, nice. Okay, great. Sorry, just checking on some things. Okay, GME, by the way, if you guys were watching, GME's crashing out.
Amazon to the upside above pre-market level.
Okay, thank you. Remember, let us know if anybody sees any 2-minute EWOs. And remember, we've got the Apple gang keeping an eye on those as well. We've got our first 2-minute EWO on Apple to the upside. First 2-minute EWO on Apple to the upside, climbing up nicely. Waiting for that break, that 189.60. GME continuing to crash. Nice. GME, absolute dumpster fire. Told you guys not to be following the bullshit little kid advice you guys are seeing all over the internet. Stop the madness. All right, let's see. Thank you. Lord Bartos over on ADT Coach. I'm not sure what you're asking over there, but moderators, can you see? He just keeps spamming something. Can you find out what Lord whatever needs over there? Lord Farquaad? Thank you.
Google to the upside above pre-market level.
Thank you.
SMCI new higher day.
Thank you. Good call out. Let's see. Q's continuing to climb now. SPY found support around 529.50. Q's found support at 451.79. NVIDIA blasting off here. NVIDIA looking beautiful. 2% to the upside. NVIDIA moving up really nice here. We'll see if NVIDIA's got more to
SMCI
give.
is up over $15 to the upside.
Thank you. NVIDIA continuing to climb.
Tesla continuing to drop, new low day.
Thank you. Remember, NVIDIA does have earnings today, or I'm sorry, not today, Wednesday after hours. Wednesday after hours, NVIDIA.
AMD and Soxley. You should take a look.
All right, thank you. Yep, AMD, also Soxel, continuing to run. Thank you, Ted. Appreciate it. Q's.
Nate's FFIE running.
FFI. Did you say Nate's FFIE? Oh, shit. What did I start? That's beautiful. Yep, FFIE hot stock pick. I don't know if it's in there today, but a previous hot stock pick, FFIE, 110%. Nate's favorite stock. Nice. Yep, it is in our hot stock picks today. Watch that double top. It's at a double top right now on FFIE. Lots of volume, though. 160 million. 160 million. Looking nice.
Meta full reversal to the upside.
Thank you.
Above pre-market level.
Thank you. Yep, 472. We want to see a break and hold a 472.
Apple cranking up to the upside above pre-market level, looking really nice.
Thank you. Apple's now on its third 2-minute EWO. Hopefully you guys heard me on the first 2-minute EWO. It's now on its third. It's also broke pre-market level. I'm
Coach,
sorry.
second 2-minute EWO. They're having a really good run off of their I/O conference last week. Very huge announcements that really indicate that they're going to be successful.
Which one?
Integrate. Google.
Okay, thank you.
Their I/O conference was on the 15th, and it's been going up ever since.
Yep. So
Microsoft
Google,
first green EWO.
thank you. Google continuing to run, and Microsoft has a big conference, I believe, tomorrow. Google continuing to climb. FFIE new high a day. Qs are blasting off. So is NVIDIA. NVIDIA looking real nice.
So is Amazon. Looking very nice.
Thank you. Don't forget small accounts. SOXL. If NVIDIA and AMD are both running, keep an eye on that. Bitcoin now at $67,000. Bitcoin, $67,000. If you didn't like it at 16, I don't know why you'd like it at 67,000.
All big seven to the upside, except the Tesla, which is new lower.
Thank you. Thank you, Tesla, just doing its own thing. Look at that pullback, double
Yep.
top on FFIE. Everybody see that double top pullback? If that isn't my
Spikes
favorite
again,
move,
EWO to the upside.
thank you. If that isn't my favorite move ever, double top. Ooh, love it. Love it, love it. Tesla, yep, continuing to crash. Yep. Tesla down 1.25% now. SPY trying to break our pre-market critical level to the upside. 530.15 needs to break and hold to the upside if we're looking to long that. Otherwise, it's on its second 2-minute EWO. I want to show you something here. This is exactly why you need to wait, just because of where we're at here. Oh, coach, but it's a second 2-minute EWO. Yeah, but it's also on the pre-market high, right? On our pre-market upper level. So even though our 2-minute is flipped, we want to make sure we have confirmation above here. Does this make sense, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Because if you blindly just get into this, but not knowing this critical level, right, you're already going to be in the red, pulling back to the 200 and wondering why you got in right there. But coach, that it doesn't work. Yeah, it does. Pay attention to what else is going on at the exact same spot. Q's continuing to climb. SPY pulling back right here. Sorry, go ahead.
CTNT was playing yesterday or Friday, and it's still holding. It doesn't have all the volume, but it has huge swings.
Okay, thank you. Sorry, I'm just doing a quick scan. Here we go. TANH. TAN Tech Holdings. 13 million volume, super low float, 2 million here. Lots of volume. I see sellers at 119 and 120. Get a break of 120 on this. You might get a nice move. Wait for the break of $1.20 on TANH. Mark it on your screens. Everybody see this? $1.20. Mark it. Gold level. Boom. GME now up 2.67%. It was red 3.5%. Now GME is up 2.5%. Found support at 2120. 2120.
Microsoft new high there.
Thank you. SPY right here. Let's take a look. SPY on our 2-minute EWO. Still waiting here. You had a nice buyer's candle right here, but it still cannot get around this area. Everybody see this? It's just sitting here. I need it to break this level. And then we can long it on the 2-minute EWO.
It's up to $1.24.
I'm sorry, what's that, partner?
TANH.
Oh, TANH. Oh, I got you. Okay, yep. TANH, everybody. The break of $1.20. So on the break of $1.20, hammer that pig, but you guys are going to make sure you have a stop. At least $1.14. There it goes. There it goes. TANH, the break of 120, now at 129. TANH. Told you on the break of 120. There's 129. TANH volume here. TANH up 96%. Tons of buyers. Look at the L2 on that. Oh my gosh. Did that halt?
Yeah,
there it is.
Yeah, halted.
Boom. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. 9:40, and there's our first halt of the week. It took 10 minutes. Did anybody get in on TANH on the break of 120?
I did.
I'm in there,
Me,
coach.
coach. Me.
I did.
Nice,
A
nice.
small amount, but I'm in.
Nice job.
I was
Coach,
Yep.
today first time I'm using my laptop and I'm up $260. Thank you.
There you go.
Every single time you're telling me don't use phone, I don't listen to you. Today I use my laptop and I'm up to 60. Thank you so much.
There you go. Good job. Now remember on TANH, this is an extremely highly volatile stock. Make sure you move up your stops. Make sure you shed when you can. I don't want anybody holding this. Now listen, real quick. Just because you have a stop in there doesn't mean you're not going to lose money. What I mean by that, let's say it's at $1.29, you paid $1, we'll just say $1.21, okay? Let's say your stop was set at $1.25. Well, listen, just because you have your stop at $1.25 doesn't mean it's going to sell at $1.25. What happens is the stop order gets placed, then it starts to fill, and until all of them are sold off, right? It could be here, here, here. It's selling, 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 and it finally gets out. Okay? So don't ever think your stop is the end all be all. And this is why I tell you, make sure you're careful with position size depending upon how much is going into this. So it looks like TANH could safely handle, looks like about 5,000 shares, probably 2,000 to 5,000 shares before it gets so clogged up it could take a while to sell off. Does that make sense, everybody?
I didn't know that, coach. Does it average your stop as it heads down?
It doesn't. Well, I mean, at the end it will be an average, but no, it's just an order to sell, and it has to fill the order, right? So if you,
I did not know this.
Yeah, so the more of them you have, think about it. If you had 10,000 shares, right? And it first sells 1,000 here, and then 2,000 here, and 4,000 gets filled here, and then another 1,000 here, right? It's trying to fill the order. It's just telling it, hey, get rid of it. All you're doing is you're holding up your hand with a card that says, sell all this, and then people got to buy it from you, right?
So that always applies to any market sell. It'll just sell as much as it can as it heads down.
That's correct. That's a market sell. That's correct. Yep. You're just telling it, hey, go ahead and release it. The order goes out. Now, if you guys are on Lightspeed or Interactive Brokers where it's a faster one-to-one connection, it's almost a one-for-one as long as there's a buyer, right? The second you click go, it's out of your hands. But with these free services, they get funneled. There's a delay from here to the middleman, to the actual brokerage house, back to the middleman, back to you before you see it. There is a delay. So that delay costs you money. This is why if you're trading with big dollars, Lightspeed, Interactive Brokers, etc., is always better, right? Okay, good. Okay.
Hey, do we have
Coach?
Yeah.
GTBP halted too.
That is correct.
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask.
Oh, did it? Okay, good. Oh, I got you. Okay, thank you. Yep, GTBP, hot stock pick, also halted to the upside. That's 2 halts. Nice job. Let me take a look at when these unhalt.
It says suspended on Webull.
Yep. It's probably just a halt, though. Remember, there are 3 different levels of halts, but we'll see. Okay, GTBP, unhalt time, 9:47:15. TANH, unhalt time, 9:45:33 seconds. Everybody got it? TANH.
Yes.
Yep, TANH will unhalt in 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Remember, don't touch anything during the halt. If you got to get that stop in there, do it. As soon as we're live, you need to scoot the stop up, do it. As soon as it's live, you have no time to wait. If you don't know the mechanics, you're not allowed to trade these. They're very dangerous. By the way, I'm not in these trades. This is not me driving a trade. I'm not in a damn trade. So nobody freak out. This isn't some fake pump and dump bullshit. This is all everybody keeping an eye on it. TANH. TANH. We'll see if this drives. It's live. It's live to the upside. TANH. Popping off. TANH. Scoot those stops up. Move them up. TANH, new high a day. 110, 111. Move your stops up. 113, 116. Move your stops up. 117, 119. Move your stops up. Get ready for a halt. Get ready for a halt on TANH. It might have just halted. I think we just had another halt. Yep, we did. Congratulations. Nice job, everybody. Huh? You like that?
Coach, you're awesome. Yep, you're awesome.
Thank you. Checks in the mail, Cindy. I appreciate that. Actor number 467, Cindy. Look at That's nice. Who got into TANH on the break of $1.20?
I'm in paper.
Me, coach.
Doing it.
Yes, coach. Thank you. I have a
gosh.
trailing
And
stop.
coach.
Nice.
Has not kicked me out yet. That's a $1,200 move.
Oh my gosh, nice. $1,200. Very nice, very nice.
The trailing stop sitting there waiting.
Absolutely. Now GTBP will unhalt at 9:47:15. 15 seconds, everybody. 15 seconds on GTBP. You know the drill. Watch for 9:12 as a double top. If it breaks that, we can add. Make sure your stops are in place and you move it up. Here we go. It's live. GTBP to the downside. Be careful right here. GTBP. Yep. Big pullback to support. Has to hold on VWAP or that's going to crash. That might have halted to the downside. Please tell me everybody had a stop in place or a trailing stop because it probably got activated. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Thank
Gotta
you.
stop.
Thank you. Did it save your bootay?
I'm paper trading and yes, it is.
Okay, excellent.
Coach, everybody should have caught that one because on the X side, the numbers were getting smaller.
That's correct. Yep. Nice job. Oh,
Exactly, Nate. That's why I wasn't in it because it looked like more sellers. So I kind of figured it was going to go down.
yeah. And it's
Yes,
on the double
sir.
top. Yeah, it's a double top too, right?
Yes, sir.
A double top with a halt, which is even worse. Look at SPY
Yeah.
over here climbing.
Spy's on a double top.
Thank you. Look at GME. Oh my, down 6%. Oh, I don't know what's going to happen. It found its support at $20. They're going to dilute it.
Stinking.
Tried to tell everybody. I tried. If you're part of American Dream Trading, you're not falling for this bullshit.
Apple's testing a double top.
Good call out, David. David, you have a good weekend, partner?
Yes, sir.
Nice, man. Appreciate you. Love your face. Big hugs and kisses to the fam, man. Appreciate you every day, David.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. You're a great guy. I don't care what Don says. Apple right here. Double top. Double top. We'll see what happens.
Spy too.
Yep. SPY.
Every time I try to get out, they pull me back in.
She just tries to be positive and light, and you guys drag her back down.
I just want to exit.
Yeah.
Second red EWO below VWAP.
Thank you. What?
That's
which
like
one was
a
that?
rejected VWAP.
Which one was that,
down
Mark?
again.
Sorry. Mark, which one was
It's
it?
Meta. Meta.
Meta. Okay, thank you.
Down second red EWO. And it broke through VWAP.
Thank you. Good call out. Nice job. Nice. Moderators, if we had any new VIP memberships today, I want to give out $5,000. That'd be great. At least the chance to give it out. That'd be awesome. 10 people need to sign up for VIP memberships. Let's go. By the way, I opened up VIP lifetimes today. Opened up VIP lifetimes. Get in there.
Yeah, Spy went up, coach.
Yep.
Look at Spy.
Spy broke the double top. So did Apple, David.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Coach, 1 minute on hold time for TANH.
Great. Thank you. Good call out. Great call out. NVIDIA staying up nice and strong. We'll see what happens.
Microsoft new high day. Holy cow.
Yes. TANH.
All
30
right.
seconds.
Tesla double bottom.
In the backyard.
Oh,
Yeah.
where? Because
I got it. 30 seconds on TANH. SPY broke that double top and our critical levels. Hopefully you guys are making money on SPY on that 2-minute EWO. I told you to wait for that break of 5:30:45. You cleared it. You're golden. TANH should be unhalting any second. 5 seconds. TANH. Here it is. It's unhalted to the upside. TANH. New high a day. $1.58. Move your stops up. Move them up. Move them up. Oh, coach, I don't want to. Okay. I think we just halted to the downside after it spiked up from $1.44 to $1.59. Did anybody scoot your stops up and just make an ass load of money?
That was my trailing stop that kicked in.
It's
$1,600 in paper.
It's worth
Yes,
it,
sir.
coach.
Yes. Nice job. Did anybody make more than $25 on TANH today?
Me.
Nice job. Did anybody make more than $26 on TANH?
$1,600 in paper.
There you go. Did anybody make more than $28 on TANH?
Yes, coach.
Thank you.
I did, coach.
Thank you.
80 bucks.
80. Did
I
anybody
pushed
make?
sell right when they held it, so I don't know. I don't know what I got.
Gotcha. Did anybody make more than $80 on TANH on the break of $1.20?
165.
There it is. 165. Do I hear 166? Anybody? Bueller? Come on, that's a $10,000 move. Did anybody make more than $165 on TANH?
412.16.
Holy shit.
Maybe Nate, he's busy.
Yeah, he is busy. Ange, by the way, didn't you just clear 3 weeks of in the green?
I just cleared 5.
5 weeks?
Yes.
Holy shit. You guys hear that? 5 weeks of being green consecutively for Ange. Nice job.
Good for you.
You know why? She's been drinking Fago. Yep. It helps. Make you run faster, jump higher, trade better. Fago.
Coach, how can that so I had a trail a stop, and then I thought, I don't know what happened. It just canceled the stop automatically when I moved it up. Did I press something that I wasn't supposed to?
Well, here's what you have to be careful of. If you move the stop too close to where it is, because it doesn't know what to do with it, it will cancel the stop.
Okay.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Yep. So
I gotta be careful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So just try not to be so close to it. Yeah. Otherwise, it'll go, I don't know. I've had that happen. Yep. Matt, you got your hand up. You want to know what to do when you get your opportunity to spin the wheel of cash today when we get 10 members paying for VIP memberships. Am I right?
Almost as good as that.
Okay.
No, I want to say something, Coach, that I don't speak up much, but because of VIP and the VIP, some of the callouts we're talking about, and being green every day this weekend, and also because of you, Hamilton, and Mark, VRB Mark, I went out and bought a brand new Tesla this weekend. I bought a Model Y.
Ooh,
performance,
yes.
3.5 seconds.
Yes.
From 0 to 60, and it's breathtaking.
Oh,
and I want to thank you, Coach.
You're very welcome. Congratulations on your brand new Tesla for being a VIP member at American Dream Trading.
Well, you guys are talking about your Tesla, and I'm like, oh man, I got to get one of those.
Good for you, man.
It's spectacular.
Yeah.
Well, yours is to 2.5 seconds, right?
That is correct. Yep. But that's
I'm a
plaid.
second behind you.
Yeah,
just
yeah.
one second.
Yeah, it's plaid. It's fast.
But
beautiful.
It's all
car
because of this. I swear to God, Coach. It's this is changing lives.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
man. Yeah, I appreciate that. Can we use that clip for marketing, by the way?
Yeah, residual checks.
Yep. Thank you.
Just kidding.
Thank you.
Of course you can, Coach.
Thank
of
you,
course.
man. I appreciate that. Don,
No, thank
Carter,
you.
everybody, you see how that would be a fantastic clip? That's the stuff. Bought a brand new Tesla for being a VIP member at American Dream Trading. You can't make this shit up.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yep. That's a great video. Make sure we clip that. Put it in the media area, if you would. Time, what happened, what we're doing. Beautiful. Nice job. Good job, Mark. So awesome. So awesome. What's up with all the Marks making all the money? Is this a Mark thing?
This is the first apostle, Matthew.
Oh, it's Matt. Oh, first apostle. Yep. Sorry about that.
Ooh, I was just about to change my name.
Yep. Sorry about that. Sorry, I just keep seeing Marks up there. Sorry, it's confusing. Thank you, Matt.
Luke and John to start killing it.
Yeah, you guys hear that now? Yeah, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Absolutely. TANH, open to the downside. Opened to the downside. Great job again, Matt. That's awesome. Nice job.
Spy still going as well as Apple. Holy cow.
Yes. We've
Very
got
nice, Coach.
all the biblical people in here, by the way. My grandma used to always say, Shadrach. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, right? She'd say it all the time.
Coach MMV is running.
MMV, yep, I see it. Great for small accounts. Great call out. MMV. MMV running to the upside. Volume 32 million. Free float. Low float. 7 million. Take a look here. It's up. Yeah, we want it to stay above $1.42. Next move, $1.53. $1.60. 66. There's all your key critical areas for it. Right there. That's what it looks like. Mark that up. MMV. Good call out. Apple, by the way, is anybody in the Apple 2-minute EWO to the upside?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Thank you.
Up $14.
How much, Joey Joe?
$14 so far. Four
Yes.
contracts.
Nice job. Keep it up, man. Great job. Don't forget, shed everybody when it looks like you need to. 50, 20, 20, 10, but otherwise, beautiful job. Now, David, did you go in a little bit more on that one, or are we still at your regular pace here?
And no, I said I was telling everybody in the group that I went smaller because I paid myself this week.
Oh, good. Good for you, man. Nice job. Give yourself a little payroll. I like the way you're rolling.
Yes, sir.
Nice job. Nice job. Love it.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
I'm not in it, but GameStop. This is a $10 stock at best. What's keeping it up like this?
Yeah, it's not even a $10 stock. Let's be honest. Not at
Yeah.
300 million. I wouldn't give you $1 for this piece of shit.
But what's keeping it up right now, though?
Retail. People won't stop talking about it. It's in the news, right?
Just a little kiddies.
Yep, exactly. Yep, it's absolute dog shit. Yep.
Is it worth looking at puts on it then?
Absolutely. I cashed in my puts on it this morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
So. All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Coach
Listen.
MMV, hold it up.
Okay. Thank you. Great call out on that, by the way. Good catch on that, Noonie. Just listen on GME and AMC. You just trade the trades, right? Don't listen to the hype. No diamond hand bullshit. Throw all of that trash out the window, right? These are just people that, let's be honest. Let's be honest with ourselves. Everybody in this room. If you have somebody and you ask them about stocks and all the first things that come out of their mouth is GME or AMC, you already know they have no idea anything at all about stocks. Am I right or wrong? Right? Am I right?
You're right, Coach.
Yep.
You're right.
I guarantee you they have no idea anything at all that has to do with the stock market at all. 1,000,000%. I promise you.
10 o'clock.
Thank you. Shift change right now. Now listen, I'm not picking on anybody who loves to trade AMC and GME. That's great. It was awesome 3 years ago. It's bullshit now. Right now you're just playing the people are talking about it stuff. GameStop's been a failing company for a decade. Let's be honest. It's a media company for game systems that are all digital. That's it. Okay, great.
It's like Blockbuster.
Yeah,
Like,
it's
why?
good luck, right? But
Yeah.
trade the trades. Listen, I'll make my money if they're gonna drive it up. Sure, why not? We can all make our money. I just don't want anybody to fall in the stupid ass trap of it's going to the moon. It's going to $400 again. Stop the bullshit. Don't wreck your livelihoods over it. You hear me? That's all I'm saying. I don't want anybody in my freaking group, right? Oh, but it's going to go to the moon. I'm putting everything I have in it. Stop. It's going to 483 again. Stop. 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 Game stop. Game full stop. Thank you. I'm just trying to...
Game over.
Yeah,
over.
game over. I'm just trying to protect you guys. You can trade it every day and do the things that we do. Don't sit there and hold on to this bullshit with a hope and a prayer. You know, if you want to buy some lottos, you know, do all the things that we do in here. And let's be honest. GameStop and AMC don't do shit compared to our hot stock picks. They don't. They're not even close. It's not even the same level at all, ever. Never has been, never will be. They're nothing compared to what we do every day. Literally nothing compared to what we do every single day. It's just the stock that people talk about. We get over 100% runners every single day. Am I right?
NKGN.
You're right, Coach.
Yeah, it's so stop. I mean, look at MMV. We called this out, 155%. There you go. It's bigger than GME's ever been. There you go. GTBP, bigger than GameStop and AMC has ever been before. There you go. Take your pick. We do it every single day. Enjoy.
Tesla double bottom zone.
Thank you. But anyways, I just don't, I hate that hype bullshit. By the way, Apple, I know it isn't as exciting. I know it's not as exciting as all this other stuff, but look at Apple.
It pays the bills.
Hell yeah, it does. Look at that. It's
Yeah,
Well,
it's perfect.
181 is previously strong, so if we have a couple of weak candles here, it'd be a good point to shave.
Thank you at 191. Thank you. Great call out. Yeah, and
what's
we
the
can
next
see it.
level on Apple to the upside?
And you can see it consolidating too right there, right, David?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Great call out.
So
You guys hear that?
190, what is it? 190?
Hold on, I'll tell you, Nana. Hold on. Oh, you're right, David. I can see it right here. That's 191. Yep. Great job. See?
191, okay.
Yep. Hold on. Let me see what else we got. Got to go way back. Hold on. Hold on. You got to go back to February to get more data. Let's see what we got back in February when we were this high. Right there. So 191. 191. This is 50. You can see it right here. It's probably going to be every 50 cents. Yep. There it is. 192. Yeah, it's every 50 cents. If you guys look at this, this is exactly where they are. I bet you these are every 50 cents.
Interesting.
Yep.
Look at that beauty. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's nonstop. Yeah, right? So if you guys listened, right, I called that out on the first 2-minute EWO. First 2-minute EWO, right? You got it. You heard it. You heard the call out. David's probably got that Apple gang making millions of dollars over there. Beautiful job, everybody. Oh, is it? Okay, thank you.
67%.
67%. Glorious.
I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, I'm listening.
All right, I'm trading today, paper trading. I have a screen recording, and my question is this: I set a stop. It's not taking it on. I'm trying to shed a contract, and I'm moving it up, and it's just not taking it. I don't know what the issue is.
So you're
What
in
kind
the
of stuff?
options chart, and you clicked and dragged the bar up, but it's not taking. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Try to cancel the order, replace it, and then drag it again. I remember there used to be a bug where if we would place the stop loss at the time of purchase, that it was bugged and it wouldn't let us move it. So that might be happening.
Okay, so I need to go to the regular chart, not the options chart.
Well, you can do the same thing. So all you need to do is go to your orders right here.
Yeah, I'm doing that. I'm putting the stop in.
Yeah, cancel
Not
it.
stop limit.
Yeah, just cancel the
I
order.
cancel the order.
Yep.
And I'm trying to get it in. I got it set. And okay, it's pulling. Apple's pulling.
Yep, and put that stop.
Okay. Got to stop.
Did it stick that time? Is it there?
Yeah, the stop is on the screen.
Uh-huh.
But it's bouncing back and forth. It is not selling off that one contract. And I'm,
But it's paper trading though, right? So the timing might be off. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm paper trading and it's not picking up. So maybe I need to.
It could just be the paper trading itself, because I know there's like a 30-second delay. So it could be the paper trading itself just not triggering it.
Okay.
Yep. Now, when that happens, just be mindful, because honestly, it's more about you did the right thing than what it does, right?
Correct.
It's more important that you knew, hey, I'm going to put my stop here, and if it would have done it, I would have made X money, which means, yay, I did the right thing, more than the mechanics of the paper trading thing is failing you. It's more about you doing what you're supposed to, when you're supposed to. That way, in the real life situation, everything would have been right.
Yeah, that's my weak point. That's why I'm just practicing that. All right.
Yeah, absolutely. Great job. And thank you for all your help, Paula. Love your face.
Miss Paula, it just did that for me too, but on shares. Like I bought 10 shares and I put a stop loss, and then when I was trying to move the stop loss up, it wouldn't let me. It kept giving me an error message. So it was doing it for me for, I don't know, so I had to cancel the stop. So I'm just like trying to shed, but yeah, it wasn't letting me.
What's the error message?
It was saying that it had to be more than 0.999.
Yep, okay.
But it's over $1, and I was only 5 cents under what the amount was of the share.
I got you. So it just sounds bugged right now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, Coach, I do have a screen recording. I'll forward it to Bruno, and it is available. But I think it's just something good to know.
Yeah, it just sounds like a bug with the paper trading. That's a Weeble question, right?
Yeah, I've been practicing with those, Coach, since they came out with those kind of stops on, and I even took a screenshot to show Weeble to get it fixed. The stops that you can move, those go way past and don't kick you out on time. That's why I've been using trailing stops. For me personally, the trailing stop works better for me.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you. Yeah, and usually it's better about shares than options. You usually run into all this goofball stuff with the options, right? It's usually an options problem and usually not a shares problem. At least
stops are even slower on options.
Yeah, they're terrible.
Okay.
Yeah, they're terrible with options.
I'll train with shares.
Yeah, they're really rough with options. Seriously. Apple, by the way, just beautiful climb. I know it's boring, but listen, since the day I walked in this room, I told you Ford and Apple, right? Ford when you start so that you understand the mechanics. It only moves a penny at a time. Then you graduate to Apple. I told you it might be boring and you might hate to watch it for 2 hours or whatever, but it pays. It really pays, and it takes a lot to shift that juggernaut. That is why, since the day I walked in this room, am I right? Ford and Apple.
Sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
They're less
Yes,
volatile. They don't chop all over the place. It's not SPY and Tesla and NVIDIA moving $6 every half a second. It's nice and easy peasy, lemon squeezy, slow, methodical moves. Slowly move the stop up. It starts to consolidate. You go ahead and take some off the table, right? It's so nice. And then you make millions of dollars. Congratulations.
Never used it before with the 2-minute EWO.
Yep. It's glorious. It's glorious.
That's what's good above VWAP code.
You got it. Nice job.
MMV moving up.
Thank you, MMV to the upside. Thank you. Yep, MMV. Yep. So here's all of our levels. We had $1.42, $1.52, $1.60, $1.66. Those are all the next setups for MMV. Canaan, I called this out last week, is now up 10.5%, 2.5 million volume. Carnival Cruise Lines up 4.25%. Nice. NVIDIA pulling back here to VWAP again. Looking pretty damn heavy over there on NVIDIA. Apple still strong to the upside. Still moving up nicely. My dog Pumpkin is next to me, still snoring. Can you guys hear her? She's just all
Tesla's still climbing off the double bottom bounce, but it is approaching the MA 200.
Thank you. Hold on. You guys got to see this little baby. Hold on. You guys see this little Daddy's little baby. Hold on. Can you see her?
Yes, coach.
Get closer.
I can't. The
She's
cable.
totally relaxed, coach.
Yeah, she is. Isn't that great? That's awesome.
What a life. What a life.
I know it, right? Daddy always has to make sure she has fresh water.
Adorable.
She's on those Lasix because of her heart. She's got that where your heart leaks. So she's always drinking water. Poor baby. That's why she's holding all that weight, by the way. They didn't think she was going to make it there for a while. She's been with us for a very long time. She's over 13. Rescue dog. We got her when she was 3. They found her in the streets. The college kids, speaking of Flint, the college kids at Mott College were feeding her. She was living under the bridges over there. Poor baby. So, yeah. Yep. All of our dogs were from the rescue shelter. Every single dog we've had, and every single dog that we've gotten has lived to be 14 or 15 years old. She's the last baby. She's the last baby.
I got a 160-pound Rottweiler who thinks she's a lap dog.
That's awesome. Yeah, she just lays around. Another rough day at the office for her.
And being bolted to the outside.
You broke the double top, and it's on the hole.
Thank you. What a baby. Another reason we never take vacations. I can't ever leave my dog.
Same problem we got, coach.
By the way, talking about vacation, are you guys going?
Yes, I'm leaving on the 4th is the actual day we're leaving. Yep. Cannot wait.
Yeah, where you been?
Yes. Nana's a part-timer.
We got to board our dogs for 12 days, and I absolutely hate it.
Oh, man, dude, I had to do that once, and sorry, bro. I hated every second of it. We were in Florida. We didn't have friends and stuff. We just moved there, and we had to do the same thing for a couple of days. For a funeral we had to come back to in Michigan, and we had nobody to watch our dogs, and 2 of them, it was miserable. Hated it.
What's worse is then you get on a plane and everybody has their damn dogs. Like, why didn't we bring ours?
Right.
We're going to get on a cruise ship and there'll be 30 dogs there, I guarantee it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, yeah. And then everybody will just say it's a service animal, right? They're all service animals now.
It's a support animal.
Yeah, support animal.
I recommend the app Rover. It's really good.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, where they'll come and house sit now.
Yep.
Yeah.
Or you can either house it or they can use their house as well. And they have certificates and all that. You can review all that and ratings.
Yeah, that's very cool. Yeah, my son lives right around the corner now. And it was our old condo. So we're just going to send her over there. So she'll be hanging out with my son. And I think he's going to try to take the week off. He's got like 40 plus days that he has available to take off because he can never leave because of his job. He's always on, red alert and everything. So he never gets to actual leave. TANH, by the way.
Taking her over there, coach, will alleviate that stress on her.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, she'll be fine over there because it'll feel like home over there, especially with him. Right here, and all the furniture and everything. That a lot of that stuff was ours when we moved because we didn't want to bring our old stuff to here. So everything over there, she's gonna be like, "Oh, it's just like home."
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. TANH $1.20. $1.20. That was the nice move off the $1.20. If you guys look at this, right? It drove off of here. Then it did it again here. And then it did it again here. But notice it's making lower lows. You see this?
Yes, sir.
Yep. So that's what it's doing right there. Now, the other thing that with this, though, I should show you this real quick. Let me draw this. So if we draw a line here, if this does break this trend, you'll have a nice pop to the upside, right? This is the $1.20 in this trend line. Can you guys all see this? So if this breaks, right? If this eventually breaks through here at any point, that's when we'll look for the next drive to make new high or double top. Does that make sense, everybody? Because it's going to break through this trend line.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
So really, this $1.20 with this trend, these are the two most important things. And because now it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter in here, the best thing with that is you're going to get a nice, either a giant pop out of here where it finally breaks through, or it's going to drop and not come back and recover for a while off of $1.20. So I really like this trade where it's at. It's beautiful. Apple new high a day. Might be boring, but look at Apple. How much are you guys up on those 2-minute EWOs on Apple now? What percentage?
65.
57%.
Nice job. Nice job.
65.
Nice job.
Buys on the double top too.
Thank you.
On for MMV, coach.
Did you say on halt time? Let me look, partner. 10, 17, and 50 seconds. So 8 seconds.
Thank you.
Yep.
SPY is about to break all-time high, by the way.
Yep, I see it. MMV getting ready to unhalt now. There it goes. MMV is live on a pullback. Live on a pullback to $1.52. And then it had a buyer's candle to new high a day. Look at this buyer's candle.
Slingshot.
Yep, buyer's candle. It hit our $1.52.9 we had marked right here. Boom, new high a day. MMV. And
Come on, Daddy needs a new challenger.
That's right. A great call out on that earlier, Noonie. Way to see it. Nice job, everybody. Look at that. Getting it done. Woo. Look at that pop. 215, 216, 218. MMV. Rocket ship, baby.
Robin Hood needs to catch up, damn it.
Yeah, it's pretty damn slow. Look at that. Beautiful on MMV. Huge volume coming in too, man. Look at this. You see
next resistance is $3.
Yep, I see it. Look at this. New high a day, 221, 223.
Oh, but coach, I don't want to sell yet.
226. Move your stops up. Move them up. Oh, coach.
Weeble has $1.93.
Oh, coach, I'd rather trade GME or AMC because it moved 40% one time. 225% now. MMV, 228, 230, 231. Move your stops
I got $1.96.
Move your stops up. Move your stops up.
Me too. I got $1.96.
Move your stops up.
He's calling out percentages.
Yep, calling out percentages,
okay.
guys.
Okay.
Yep. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to confuse anybody. 215%. $1.97 was resistance. Move your stops up.
Apple new high.
The Apple new high. Goodness gracious. Apple, the gift that keeps on giving. That's the gift that keeps on giving. MMV getting ready to new high a day. It's trying $1.97. Move those stops up. Collect some. Still got a lot of volume coming in.
Yeah, and it blew through the other two resistance at 166-ish area.
Yep, I see it. Sellers are starting to line up in here. Be careful now. These are where sellers are stacking up.
I don't have anything to $3.98.
Gotcha. Yep. Be careful right here. Yeah, big pullback here. Yep, there it goes.
Yeah.
There it goes. Hopefully you guys all made your money on that. Congratulations again, American Dream Trading, getting it done.
Yeah, then there was 4 walls in there. There's 3 bulls. I mean, that Robin Hood didn't show you. It's 4 walls in there.
Yeah. More volume coming in now. Came down to 174. And now driving. New high a day. MMV. Look at it. Stopped right here. Put the brakes on right there.
Yeah, 199. That's the wall. You see it?
Yep. I do.
That's
right there. See it? $1.99 right there. Which is because everybody wants to get in before $2, right?
That's right.
Yep. Lots of volume, 53 million. They're going to buy that 199 right out at this rate. That 199's getting bought out quick.
I'm back in at $1.93. Let's go.
Oh, nice job. Move that stop up, right, partner?
Man, I want to get back in.
Yeah. I'd wait till the break of 2. I'd wait till the break of 2. So I'd have a buy stop sitting at 2.05. Use a buy stop, which means the second it hits 2.05, it'll trigger a buy, and have your stop at like $1.99, because if it's going to break back through 2, it's going to drop hard if it can't hold up here. Make sense, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Volume's coming in. It's going to break it.
Yep. I see it. That's pushing hard on MMV.
It's going to hold.
Yeah, it's so close.
I think it is.
No, it's still going.
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Did break it. Yeah, came back.
Yep. Buy stop above 2.05. And now right there, your stops or your buy stop should start to activate. 2.0. Yep. 2.050. Stop down there. What is it? 1.95 or, whatever your risk tolerance is. So being careful here. This right here is the danger zone. This spot.
Yeah.
This is what we need to clear.
That thing is going to hold. It's bouncing too much.
Yeah, this is a lot. It's funny because it's almost exactly like here and here. This is major. TANH, by the way, broke below $2.20. Oh, that's a nice candle right there, Nate, to the upside on MMV.
Yeah.
That was a nice candle.
It's trying.
Yes, it really is. Got sellers at 2.09. A lot of buyers, $1.98. They just got bought out quick, though. Yeah, they got bought out quick.
Yeah. See what happens. Here we go.
Yep.
Pushing it back up.
Yep.
Oh, do you send a thing for Lucy?
I did, and then I didn't submit a photo because you activated.
I got it. Told you this right here. This is the range. This is what we need to break. So we're going to pop or drop. Everybody's seeing it, right? Still moving up nicely. This is still stair-stepping up. It's still up here. I don't like the way this one came back. I would have loved. I would have loved to seen a candle come up. Oh, there it goes. Boom, out.
Yeah, there you drop. Yep.
Yeah, I would have loved to seen this one candle been previous high here. Do you see that though? We had a buy stop above this 2.05, and then a stop down here. I said at $1.95. Do you see why now, everybody? Look at this. Right there.
Yeah.
And right there. Right.
Yeah, it's set up there too long, Coach. That's the reason why I didn't jump in it. It's set up there too long.
This is why I didn't want nobody buying at $2, right? Yeah, we want to see a nice break above 2.0, 2.05. Isn't that exactly what I said? Yep.
That's it.
Yep. All right. Apple, by the way, back to the boring stuff that pays the bills. And then some. How about Apple? Let's go back to Apple while this thing's just crashing out.
We had a minor previously at the 0.68.
Thank you.
So I'm watching it right there for potential shape.
Thank you. What are you guys up on this one? 70%?
77%.
77%. Jesus.
Coach Tesla heading to a double bottom.
Thank you. You know what to do down there, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Oh, that's massive downside on Tesla there too. Apple, new high a day. 1%. Wow, 83%.
Apple is the gift keep on giving today.
It really is.
Straight line up. It's beautiful.
Yes, it is. We called it out. Listen, we caught this, by the way. I think it was the only 2-minute EWO called out today. We caught it on the first 2-minute EWO candle. Am I right? We caught it on the first one today. Yeah, we did. Look at this.
Well, and then also, Coach, like I pointed out, sometimes where we get the 2-minute, plus we're getting the confirmation of the break of pre-market.
Oh, yeah, which now it's a 6-star on the break of pre-market too, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Yeah, as soon as it broke the pre-market high and everything else was doing it, which was that $1.90, as soon as it broke $1.90, that was a full-blown 6-star trade right there. Best trade you can get into when it broke that 190. Yep.
That wick was perfect, David. It went exactly to 78.
There it is.
Nice job. Looks halted.
Thank you. Oh, I better do station identification. If you guys are wanting to join us, by the way, make sure you head on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Get signed up for one of our memberships. They start at $50 a week. You guys ever seen anything like this for $50 a week? I bet you haven't. No. Get on over there. Holy crap. $50. Get on over there. Moderators, how many VIP memberships have we sold today? There's got to be millions of people lining up at the door. They should just be beating down our doors. How many did we sell today, moderators? Let me know. There's got to be millions of people signing up. It's got to be crazy. It's a mad dash. We can't hold them back. They're breaking the internets. There's so many people. So many people. It's crazy.
On the Memorial Week special.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, don't forget. Is it this Monday coming up? When is Memorial?
Yes, sir.
It is this. Okay.
Monday.
Yep.
Yes,
so
sir.
Monday, don't forget. Monday is Memorial Day. So there is no stock market on Monday.
Great, I can sleep that day finale.
Oh no, you're going to be studying.
Oh no, we can pray.
Yeah, you guys can still be studying. I don't want to hear that.
No, I understand. I'm just gonna sleep a little bit more that morning.
Okay. All right, I got you.
I'm in California. It's so early.
Yep.
It's so
Coach,
hard.
I was studying this Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all day long.
Yes. Study, study, study. Oh, by the way, we now have 2.6 thousand videos at American Dream Trading on YouTube now. It's the most videos I've ever heard of in my life for any channel ever. And I mean ever. 2.6 thousand. That's 2,600 videos since we've been doing videos for a year and a half. Year and a half, we've produced 2,600 videos. You guys realize on average, people will release on a good month 8 videos a month, 2 a week. Yeah, we do 150 plus a month videos. Yep. I know. It's a lot of free information. I know it's a lot of free information out there. I know.
Hey, Coach.
Yeah.
Part of Google's announcement is that they're going to be able to train against your video and create a super language model associated with that you'd be able to just ask any questions It could create a complete educational program
That would be
based
awesome.
on the training on the video. It's insane.
Yeah, that's phenomenal. You know what else I saw on there is they somebody took a drawing. I'm not kidding. They took a drawing and they wrote what they wanted on the drawing, which was a calculation. They took that image, they fed it into Gemini, and they said, I want you to write me a script for this. And it turned it into an application just based on a drawing. I was like, what the hell is this crap, man?
Yeah, and like its tutoring capability is now as good as the best tutors that are out there. It could train a kid on math problems, take them up to the master's level.
That's crazy.
There's so many disruptions that are about to happen. We should look at maybe shorting some of these educational centers and shorting some of these Duolingo, because Duolingo is now built right into these applications.
Yep, I saw that too in that demo where they were doing it live. It was doing the live translation, and it was so good. Oh my gosh! If you guys have noticed too, let me do a search. Hold on. Hold on. It's cues off my phone. I don't see it on here, but on my phone, maybe it's. I'll have to look at what it's powered by. But if you notice now, where normally you would Google something and then it will spit out the responses, and I don't know if it's because I'm a paid member of Google or not, but the AI now will also take the information and find out if that is the best information. In the first line, it'll be a star, and then the information lists that this is the best data out of everything that it aggregated.
And the insane thing is with Gemini, they're now going to integrate it into your email. So it's like a member of your team that's getting copies of the emails. And then whenever you want to get an update on what's going on with a project or anything like that, you just ask that agent, and it's like your smartest person on the team.
Yep. You can say, hey, give me a summary of all emails that came in about X, Y, and Z.
Yeah.
And it'll just, here you go. Here's your information. Yeah, remember, February 2023, I think, is when we had the conversation, and I told all of you that AI was going to be the next internet, and everybody in this room as crickets probably thought I was full of shit, or what are you talking about, old man? Remember? This was a year and a half ago. I told you guys, watch, AI will be everywhere doing everything all the time. I said this is going to be the next internet, and you guys remember me saying this? It's here. I tried to tell you. It's here.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
So true fact, this weekend I shot a wedding and I was shooting with a videographer and we were talking during our little break. Turned out he's a day trader. So right now his name is Dalton. He's watching you on YouTube and option in your stock and everything. So hopefully he's going to join. But I told him to watch on YouTube today. So hi Dalton. I hope you can watch the group.
Hey, good to have you here. I love my videographers. I did a lot of that stuff. That's my jam. I got a huge background in that. I appreciate you guys all being here. Thank you. Guys, got to remember, before I did this, right, I had a YouTube tech channel, and I had 350 videos that I produced myself over on my tech channel before I even did any of this stuff for like 7 or 8 years. So I've got a lot of background in doing that. I can DaVinci Resolve. I don't care what it is. Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro. I can use all of them and do all the things across the board. Don't care. I loved it, lived it, slept it, enjoyed it. Another thing, right? This is why American Dream Trading, this is why we were able to get up and running so fast, because my background is in all this. This is why I have the lighting all the way around the room. This is why I have all the professional cameras, all the professional microphone systems, right? This is why we have all the things we have, is because I did all the things that I did. It all leads to something, right? Everything we do leads to something. Yes.
Well, hopefully you're going to gain a new number soon. So
I appreciate it. By the way, do me a favor. If you guys are watching on ADT Coach over on TikTok, because you've got something that no one else has ever seen before, ever over on ADT Coach TikTok, you guys are seeing something that no one has ever seen in your lives before. Ever. Are you guys noticing it? It's never happened in the history of what we're doing before. Yep. You've never seen that before. Am I right, Honda Fix?
Yeah, that looks good, Coach.
Yep. Yep. We're not going to do it again. It didn't do shit. It didn't do anything. We got the same amount of views, the same amount of likes, the same amount of subscribers and followers. It didn't do shit.
Well, that's pretty cool. I just went on it like, oh, that's cool.
Yep.
Worth a shot, though.
Yeah.
It looks good, though.
Yeah. Does it look clean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome.
The only thing I will say is like the comments go in front of the screen, so
Yeah.
it's hard to see the chart.
Yep. I got you. Yeah, unfortunately, there's no way for me to get that out of there.
You might want to switch the screen.
Well, this won't ever be up there again. I'm just testing the algorithm. I wanted
You're
to see
testing it.
Yeah, I wanted to see what would happen, and nothing.
They can wipe the comments away though.
Yeah, they can. Yeah, you can make it so you don't even see the comments if you're
Oh, that's
watching it.
right.
Yep. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Nice job, everybody. Okay. Who asked me? You asked me 100 times, so I'm gonna have to.
I'm gonna send you a ton of hearts right now. Here we go.
Thank you. Mike Jones has asked me 67 times, do a sale for VIP Gold. He is adamant about it. Mike Jones, do you want me to do a quick sale on it? Because I don't even want to take the time unless you're serious. I won't even do it. It's just a waste of my time. Tell me. It's 10:37. We no way in hell even got close. You do. Yes, sir. Okay, hold on. I'll do a quick flash sale on VIP Golds. And I'm telling you guys better line up. Line up. Everybody right now, I'm going to make this about 2 minutes. I'm not kidding, but I'm going to make it the biggest sale you've ever seen in your lives on VIP Gold. And I'm not exaggerating. Can you hear the sound of my voice? Mike Jones, because you asked me 60 times, I'm going to do it once. I have to be careful when I do this because then people, I'm just going to wait for the next sale. You're never getting this sale again. I promise you. Get ready. Everybody, you better be at AmericanDreamTrading.com right now. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to make this such a sick sale. It's going to make your head spin. By the way, Apple new high day. Congratulations, everybody. Hold on 1 second. Bruno was in here. I'd have him do it for us, but he's not. He's taking care of business. So hold on just a second. Hold on just a moment. I gotta get the spot. VIP Gold, not the complete. Hold on. Bear with me. Here it is. Get ready for the most ridiculous sale we've ever done before. Son of a gun. No, not free. That would be no, I'm gonna go bigger than that. I'm gonna go way bigger than that.
All right.
Just hold on a minute. If I can get this damn thing. The whole system has changed. It's all changed. Where the hell is it at?
We need Bruno.
Got my finger on the trigger, waiting for the promo code.
Yeah. Oh, here it is. Promo code.
They locked you out, Coach.
Yeah. They're like, he's giving away too much shit. Shut it down. All right, here we go. Hold on. You guys are going to like this shit. I'm telling you, though, don't ask for this again. I promise you, do not ask me for this again. This is not going to happen. Once. Yup. Promo only. Yup. Can only be used once. Hold on. Almost there. Why is it not listed? Hold on a minute. Sorry, I do not see this in here. Oh, here we go. Hold on.
Google bounce you up.
Thank you. I swear they made this harder than they needed to do. Okay, hold on. We're almost there. Everybody, if you want the VIP Gold and you're never going to see this again, I don't give two shits. Don't ask. I'm going to run a sale right now. I'm going to take $1,000 off this membership. The code you're going to use is VIP 1000. Hold on.
Holy cow.
Schedule. Create promo code. There it is.
Is that going to be for the add-on and the complete?
No, no, just the add-on. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, but I like the way you're rolling.
Isn't that kind of the same?
No, it's not the same because unfortunately the timing is off, right? If you've already had a VIP for 6 months, you don't want to pay for the VIP complete and waste the 6 months. You would just add the add-on. You see what I mean?
Hey, coach, purchase completed. Done.
Yep,
VIP
there you go.
gold.
VIP 1000. This is for the gold add-on only. VIP 1000. It takes $1,000 off the first year. $1,000 off the first year. Yeah, you'll never see that again. I'm not doing that. So
Are you going to show us how to get there to get it?
Yeah, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Let me show you all. It will look like this. Hold on. Hey,
Mine says add-on. Is that what we're looking at?
yeah, yep, exactly. So if you guys look at my screen right here, it says gold add-on. VIP membership required. Click get access. Go right here, enter your promo code VIP1000. Click apply. Look at that, $1,000 off. That's crazy. There it is.
Man, that's a good watch out.
Yep. It's a sale now. Now only. I'm doing it right now as a flash sale. This is it.
Wait, the VIP gold? That's it?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, buddy.
Right now. Yeah, right now only.
For the one who is in, do it. Do it.
Yeah, like I said, I won't do it again. It's somebody in here kept asking and asking and asking. And
Is that gold upgrade or just the VIP?
VIP gold upgrade.
Oh, okay, because I got a buddy that's on the border of trying to get into VIP right now.
Well, listen, it's your buddy. We can make a deal for him. You do everything here, right? I got you.
I'll send him a message right now.
Yeah,
Thanks.
dude, I'll take care of you. Come on, give me a break. You know how much shit you do for us? It's the least I can do, right?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. I don't care what Don says. You're worth every penny.
No.
You're a good fellow, Coach.
She's here. I didn't hear her yet.
Oh, and by the way, I told people to be cautious here at Apple when we started dragging down because of that 192 area.
Oh, smart. Yeah, and you know the other thing cool too about that, and great call out, David, is that when Apple gets a 1%, it's getting pretty long in the tooth. At 1%,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's
you got to know your average true ranges.
Yep. Because Apple is pretty damn high at 1%.
Well, and then the volume started dropping off and it was going flat.
Yep.
So this is where you reverse the thing. You're like, okay, well, I thought booked. Scalping.
I'm going to do it now. You guys can use that VIP 1000. Takes $1,000 off the first year. Knock yourselves out. It's 10:44. It's getting about time for me to head out of here. I'll shut this down.
Coach, real quick, doubled my goal at 506 for the day.
Oh my God. Wait. Oh, you got 506 today?
Yeah.
Oh, and you went smaller?
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness gracious. That's awesome. I love it. Love it. You had lower risk for a beautiful reward.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
So the question of the day is, did the gentleman who was continually asking you for this deal, did he sign up yet?
Oh, I don't know. It's a great question. Who was it that kept I swear, I'm not kidding. I saw it a million times. Who was it?
Mike Jones.
Yeah, Mike Jones. Hopefully you did. Hopefully you liked that sale. Everybody make sure you thank Mike Jones for that super sale. We've never done anything that ridiculous. Oh, we've had a couple people sign up. 3 people. 4 people. I think 4 people took
5.
advantage. 5 people.
5.
Nice. Well, there you go. The other thing that's cool with that, and I'm telling you, don't be like, I'm not going to buy it. I'm going to wait for the next sale. You're not getting that. There's no reason for me to lose $1,000 per person. By the way, when you guys did that, 5 of you, I just lost $5,000, right? Think about that for a minute. Yeah.
Sucker.
I know. Loser.
Thanks now.
Loser.
Thanks now, Coach.
Yeah. Thank you.
So they don't qualify for the $5,000 spin the wheel.
Well, I didn't say that. I mean, if we get to 10 before I get offline, right?
There you go.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna back out of that just because I made a super sale. But that means I better get the hell out of here quick, right, Ted?
Right on.
But I am seriously wrapping up, losing my voice. It's long in the tooth. I appreciate everybody being here. Listen, again, another amazing day. I thank all of you for being here. You guys are absolutely amazing and you're rock stars. I love your faces. Thank you to all my moderators, Bruno, Carter, Dawn, Paul at the beach, Miranda, unhappily a housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker. Yeah, my voice is almost gone. Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, and Ted. You guys are awesome. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. I honor and respect you every single day. You guys are all amazing. Love your faces. Thank you to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you.
Hell yeah. Have a good day, Coach.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you, Coach. All day, the 10.
Yes. Thank you. Oh, by the way, real quick, I apologize for the weekend. We just had a communication error. That wasn't Ted did something wrong about our podcast. It was just, I thought I was releasing. Yeah, I thought I was releasing something on a different schedule. What the? Let me mute all that. But anyway, so that wasn't Ted's fault for over the weekend. So nobody beat us up. Appreciate everybody being here. Love your faces. So I apologize to Ted on the communication error and anybody else who was like, what's going on with the podcast? So nobody panic. Everybody be cool. Ted did not do anything wrong. In case it looked that way, he did not. Love your face, Ted.
We love Ted.
Yeah, absolutely. I just didn't want anybody to think, oh my gosh, he did something wrong. No, he didn't. Not at all. Never did. Okay.
Hey, Coach, the 10 spot giveaway, are you doing that even after you go? Or like if we sell 10 all day, are you still running it or?
No.
Shit, I made a promo for it. That's why.
Hell no.
Damn it.
Listen, I'm already gonna, if you guys did it before I leave, that's 10,000 gone, and then spin the wheel for another 5. I mean,
I know.
I might as well give my house away because the shit's gone. But I appreciate you guys. Yeah, the deal was 10 before I left for the day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I am gonna do this. I'll leave this up for a little bit longer. At least you guys can get the deal with the 1,000 off. But when it's gone, it's gone. I'll just shut the doors on it. I can't do too many at that. Obviously, that's just stupid of me to do that. But again, appreciate everybody being here. Love you guys. The code doesn't deduct. It should. Oh, it's not 5K. You're using the wrong one. My cat love me. You're going to, again, go to.
My cat love me.
Yeah, go to American Dream Trading. Click on gold add-on. VIP membership required, it says. It should be $2,500. Get access. Put in the code VIP 1000. It'll take 1,000 off. The one you're clicking on is the VIP Gold Complete. That's all the bells and whistles. We're not doing it on that. We're only doing it on the gold add-on. All right? Okay, good. I'm out of here. Thank you, moderators. I'll see you guys all again today. Counting down to Hawaii. Counting down to Hawaii. Yeah. Can't wait. Aloha. I'm out. See ya. Good job, everybody.
Love your face,
nice work,
Coach.
David and Apple Gang. Nice job. I'm out. See you guys. Thank you, Dawn and everybody.
You're welcome.
Catch you later.
Thank you. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Don, Paul at the beach, Miranda, unhappily housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke Cyber, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, and Ted. Thank you.
Later on, Tampon.
Later after a while, Crocodile.